my loves, welcome back to or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair. They sent me their 13x4 water wave HD lace frontal wig in 22 inches. As always, let's just go right ahead and jump into it. Alright, so first things first, I'm just taking some got2b gel to slick these edges out the way. This really just gives a cleaner foundation for when I'm laying my wig. And plus, I just really don't have that many baby hairs to spare as it is. So this just really helps in making sure I don't snatch myself bald. It really just keeps them out of the way. My wig came with a lot of much needed gifts, but my all-time favorite of them all is this HD lace wig cap. When I tell you Luvme really is the GOAT for gifting these, those of you that don't know, it's basically just a much thinner cap, which makes the entire install look a little more seamless, especially if you're doing the ball cap method like I am today. Now watch closely to what I'm doing to this cap. I know a lot of y'all see a lot of influencers and people do this and cut the caps this way around their face, and y'all probably be like, oh my gosh, that is so dramatic. But I promise you, this is like one of the best wig hacks that I've found. When the cap is all dry after you spray your got2b, you see how I'm cutting it only in the inside? I'm then able to take that remaining bit and just pull it over my head, and that holds the cap on my head rather than having to sew around the perimeter like I know some people do. It makes it so much easier. If y'all didn't get that, go back, rewind it, slow it down, and watch. Here I'm just using my alcohol to go around and clean up any extra got2b that may have missed the cap. I know some people prefer sea breeze. I have yet to test that theory. They say that it actually works best. Like I said, I haven't tried that yet, but if y'all have, let me know down in the comment section which one you think works better.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, girl, I know.
Walking on that rain. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you stay. What you say? When it's that way, turn back if we gon' crazy. See what you yeah. If I slide, but it's fine, just to press my hands. Yeah. If they cut down, you know that nothing must be stressful. Talk the talk, but walking back it up, you just can't let go. Just make me special. Whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that. No matter what you do, I try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. Let's have a time to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky till you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Just play yes, no, and I can be waiting cause I said so.
Going, turn, I swear you're crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't my revenge, but now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know, but again, trust me, this ain't my revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No. You said you felt. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, ditches you.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. Tesla, now she gone electric. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a taco little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing.
That's it, that's all. This is actually so cute, and I love the curls. I love the curl pattern. The lace itself, the melt is crazy. The melt is crazy. It gives everything that it needs to give, and it's still about 5% wet, like underneath. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I will leave all of the hair details along with all of the products that I used down in the description below for those of you that want to check this out. I know I've been kind of slow posting. I'm trying to get all of this together. It's taking a lot of time, but it's getting there. As you can see, it's really cute so far. Let me know down in the comment section what other type of videos you want to see here on my channel. More wig installs, more of my daily routine. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys want more vlogs. Let me know and I got you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.